Would you rather fart in public or would you rather burp in public? Burping's a little bit more polite because you could just say, and then you could just be like, oh, sorry. Fart there, like everybody's kind of just like, that guy stinks. I think I can smell what that guy ate for lunch. So yeah, burp in public. 75 to 25. The 25% of the people don't really give a what they think.